Morning everyone, Garden Novas here. So I'll give you a little wander around a nice sunny plot, show you what I've been up to this morning. Let's go. First of all, what I did this first thing is start to clear out this compost bay. So I've riddled all the front part of it just around here and pulled all the back forward. And what I've got with that is some really good compost mulch, which I've got it backed up over here with 3 bags of good compost mulch. So there we are. No good for seed sowing, I don't think, but it's certainly good for soil conditioning and putting on the beds and around the plants and roses at home, which I'm going to do. Next job I did was tidy this bed up, this border along the polytunnel. I do have some annual plants in there, bulbs and things which I've put in, so they're starting to come through now. And I sort of cleaned all that away and dug it up. It's quite wet, so it'll dry out a bit now. A few strawberries I've got in there which I couldn't get fitted in these 2 beds here. I've got my main strawberries. And the other day what I did was top these beds up down here. We've got a few allotment lads on the site, got a few ton bags of compost delivered. I think it's cow manure, rotted cow manure. And Ian from our allotment journey, he arranged it all. So I got a ton bag just to fill these, well, just to top them up really. So I top them beds up so they're ready to go. That side is all ready to go. Tidy. Now let's have a look in the polytunnel. Let's see how the seedlings are enjoying the extra light we have now. We're getting about 10 to 12 hours of daylight now, which is great. Let's have a look in here. It's warm. There we have it. All coming on very nicely. It's looking like Charles Dowden's propagating bench. I wish. They're all starting to come through though. And a piece for shoots in that little mushroom tray there. Broad beans all up. Yes, starting to take advantage of the light now, these plants. That's it, just a quick short to show you what I've been up to on this lovely sunny Tuesday morning. Bye for now, guys.